In this video, I want to show you how to fix in case you don't get any sound out of your iPad 11 with the A16 chip. This could happen for many different reasons. So let's start with the fix. The easiest fix of all is to simply restart your iPad. Maybe the problem is a software issue. So you're gonna press the power button and the volume up button. Keep both of these pressed. Okay, until you get the slide to power off slider. Slide it towards the right side. Wait around 2 to 3 seconds and then keep press the power button to power on the iPad. Okay, it's powering on. Wait and try to play some music or, I don't know, a video out of the iPad and see if it's working this time. If you're still having the issue, what I suggest is that you check the Bluetooth settings of your iPad. So over here I have settings. Keep press on it. Select Bluetooth. And right over here, if you have any Bluetooth devices currently connected to your iPad, disconnect them. Okay, this is not a speaker, but tap on it, select forget this device, completely remove them. And now after doing this, test out your speakers. Sometimes the iPad is sending the sound on an external device using Bluetooth, and this is why nothing comes out of here, because it's trying to send whatever audio it is on another speaker. You can also simply turn off Bluetooth and test your speakers to see if that was the issue. Now, if all of these things didn't work and you really wonder why you don't get any audio out of here, what I suggest is that you connect a pair of headphones. Could be wireless, could be a wired headphones or headset. Okay, over here I have some AirPods, could be any brands, and connect them to your iPad. Once they're connected, open your music or your video and see if the sound is actually coming out of them when you put them in your ears. If you get the sound on them, but when you remove them, when you turn off Bluetooth on your iPad, you don't get any sound, there's a chance that the speakers of your iPad are, I don't know, broken. Something happened with them, because the iPad is actually capable of outputting sound on an external device, but not using its own speakers. Finally, my last tip is to do a reset, a factory reset of the iPad. This is last resort since everything will be deleted. By going into the settings, you're going to select General, and then you're going to go down, all the way down, Transfer or Reset iPad. And then you're going to select Erase all content and settings. You're going to have to enter your passcode, press continue, stuff like that. And the iPad will be like a brand new one. Unfortunately, the speakers will start working. Thanks for watching. If you have any other tips, let me know in the comments down below, or if one of these worked, I want to know. So leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.